Upon logging into your ATS Online Learner account, you will be brought to the Learner dashboard and your name will be displayed here. To locate desired content, click the My Courses tile, which will then display the folders that you're subscribing to: Emergency Medical, Fire, or Industrial. To locate your desired course, open the folder, locate the training series that the course belongs to, and select Launch next to your desired course. You'll notice that upon launching this course, which I have previously started, I'm prompted to either resume the course where I left off by selecting Yes, or to start the course from the beginning by selecting No. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll start the course from the beginning. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump forward through a few of these sections to get to the interactive questions. Please note that on the live version of these courses, the forward button goes away and the system will not allow you to move ahead until each video segment has been finished.
Click at the
After watching each video segment, the learner will be presented with a series of questions based off of what they watched. The first question in this example is a true and false style question. When answered correctly, you will see a correct feedback slide reinforcing that information. Next, we see a multiple choice question. Notice that there are no identifiers for the answers like A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4. This way, answers cannot be recorded or shared by other learners. Next, we'll demonstrate why this version of our courseware is truly interactive. When a learner answers a question incorrectly, the program stops, backs up, shows a video clip with the correct information, and then re-asks the same question. The learner must answer the question correctly in order to move ahead so they can't continue through the course with any misconception.
Combustion can be defined as a chemical reaction that combines oxygen with another substance and releases energy or products that cause a continuing reaction of the same kind. Fire is one form of combustion. Fire is defined as rapid self-sustaining oxidation creating varying intensities of heat and light. The word rapid is important in the definition of fire.
In the live version of these courses, the second time that the learner is presented with this series of questions, the answers will appear in a different and randomized order. This method reinforces each learning objective and ensures the learner is paying close attention to the information being presented and not just guessing their way through the answers. After the interactive assessment, the learner will be presented with a section quiz. In order for you to progress to the next training objective, you must pass this quiz. Once you progress through each training objective in this fashion, you'll be presented with the final exam. The final exam randomly selects questions that were previously answered and presented through this course. Your grade on the final exam is then reported to the learning management system. A few other things to note on the home page before we wrap up. First, the Resume tile. This feature is available for all courses that have been started but not yet completed. Any course title found within the Resume feature located on your home page will take you back to the most recent course you were in. The message board is a great place for administrators or instructors to post messages viewable by their learners. Finally, the learner transcript. Click here to locate, print, or save certificates earned within the system. If you scroll down the page, you can also see course progress, and you can also see exam scores. Going back to the top, you can print your transcript, and the certificates and student transcripts are also viewable and printable by instructors from the administrative side of the system. This completes the learner side of the ATS Online tutorial.